This video is for those who ask me, what do I drink for milk in place of cow's milk? Hi, my name is Raulh of God Cured Me. A lot of you remember me from my visit to Dr. Sebi's Usha village in 2013. Today, we're going to talk about hemp seeds and its benefits. Technically a nut, hemp seeds are very nutritious. They have a mild, nutty flavor and are often referred to as hemp hearts. They are exceptionally rich in two essential fatty acids, omega-6 and omega-3. Hemp seeds can be consumed raw by sprinkling them on your food, cooked, or made into hemp milk. Today, I'm going to show you how to make hemp milk. Okay, so today we're going to make some hemp milk because we do not want to use dairy anymore because dairy products are out. We don't want to do that because of what they're doing to the animals. So what we need is 2 glasses of spring water. You're going to need a blender or a NutriBullet like I have. Then you're going to need a heaping tablespoon of hemp seeds, H-E-M-P, hemp seeds. Pouring right off in there. This is going to replace your milk. And we're going to put it on and watch it turn white. And we're going to leave it on there for approximately 30 seconds. Okay, and as you can see, it's turned completely white, just like regular milk. Now, you just put it in a storage container that you want to use of your choice, put it in the refrigerator, and once it's cooled, then you can enjoy. You drink this from now on. Now, remember, your taste buds are not used to this, so when you taste it, it's not going to taste like cow's milk, okay? But you get used to it. If you change your diet, you can change your health plan. Hemp seeds are a great protein source and have a great source of vitamin E and minerals, such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron, and zinc. Hemp seeds have been used as food and medicine in China for at least 3,000 years. I have a link to the seeds I use in the description box below. So if you found this video to be helpful, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell for more videos as I post them in the future. You can follow me on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook at God Cured Me. And if you want to learn how to heal yourself of virtually any disease the Dr. Sebi way, which is God's way, visit my website at www.godcureme.com. My name is Raulh, and remember, I won't just pray for you, I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. See you in another video.